Children, in the first part what we have studied, practice set 2.2, fourth sum and fifth sum, and the next part which we have to start to draw a line parallel to the given line. This is a construction part, and as I already told you, to take with a compass, ruler and the pencil. I am doing here construction with a pen, but you will use only pencil and ruler. Okay children. Now first construction says to draw a line parallel to the given line through a point outside the given line using a set square. So you know your set square. See, these are the two triangles which are given in the geometry box. So you have to take these two set square and a ruler. Okay. Now first of all, what you have to do, you will draw a line. The steps which are given on page number 12, you don't have to write that steps. You will go through it one by one. You will just read that steps. You will come to know how you have to do the construction. So let us start with the construction. See, in this way you will take a ruler, and what you will do, you will draw one line. Okay. So in this way you will draw one line. Use only pencil. Okay. Draw a line, put a arrow over here and give this line name as line L. Now what is the method? You have to draw first line L and you have to take a point P outside. So here I have taken P. Outside the line means upward. Okay. I have taken a point P outside the line, and now you will take your two set squares like this. Take two set square. The upper one you will keep it like this, and the below one, the next part, this is A set square, this is B set square. Okay. And what you will do, you will put this set square up to point P and this also up to point P. Okay. Hold these two set square so that you can get a parallel line from P towards L. So place two set square touching each other. Okay, touching each other, and hold these two set square. This is set square A, this is set square B. Now draw a line along the edge of point P. So in this way we will draw a line. Okay, and now we will take out this first set square and extend this line in this way and put a arrow over here. Now see, line P, point P, the line which has been drawn, name this line as line M. Okay, from P the line goes and we have extended it and put it as line M, and this is already, we have earlier started line L. Now you know line M is parallel to line L. Okay, and we will write this answer below it as line L is parallel to line M. Understood? This is the first method. And children, on page number 13 you are having the method 2, same construction but method 2. That construction you will not do in your copy. You will just read it, and in the next period we will do the construction 2. Okay, thank you. Till then, do practice.